Hello, good evening. I'm Prantik here, back again this evening for a new topic, the path of least resistant. Interesting, right? So let's talk about the least resistant thing. Suppose there is a pipe and I put a ball from here, but I hold the pipe in between. Will the ball be able to pass from here and reach to the destination? It may not be, right? It may not reach. So, because why? Because there is a resistance. There is a resistance in between, and it's not being able to pass through it. Simple experiment. This is the same thing happening in our own life. This universe is sending all the beautiful ideas, all the beautiful intuitions for our manifestation, for our growth. The universe is designed for our growth. The universe is designed for us to evolve. The universe is designed for us to survive and then thrive. It is designed that way. If there is a cut, the body heals automatically. Do not do anything, it heals automatically. Okay, we are designed to heal. We are designed to get better. Okay, we did not remain as a small child. We evolved, we grew. So we are designed for growth. Okay. Now, what is stopping us in the manifestation, in the growth of our dreams and desires? Resistance. Lot of resistance. Okay. So let's talk about some things that many people I have heard saying that यार मैंने तो ऐसे कैजुअली बोला था, हो गया. कितना लकी ना मैं. मैंने तो यूं ही बोला था, हो गया. ओके एंड कुछ बार ऐसा हो जाता है यार नेगेटिव हो गया यार, मैं ऐसा चाहता ही नहीं था, हो गया. सो ये जो टॉक्स है, इट इज़ लीडिंग टू समवेयर. अंडरस्टैंड देयर इज अ रीजन बिहाइंड इट, देयर इज अ पर्पस बिहाइंड इट. It is showing that if you do not resist your own thoughts, you will achieve your goals much more faster. You will achieve the path of least resistance. The ball has to pass through very easily if there is no resistance. So how is this resistance caused? And let's take some examples of how we experience non-resistance. Many a times, whenever there is a goal coming to us, we see some goal, we have something to achieve. Let's say for example, we keep a target of maybe making a 3 lakh rupees per month. We may be making 1 lakh rupees a month now, but we have kept a target of 3 lakh rupees a month. And now the moment we keep the goal कि 3 लाख रुपए कमाना है, the first thought, अरे how is it possible? Am I really worth? I don't have clients enough to do this. Are you sure it can be done? Okay, that's one. We look in the mirror. Oh wow, you're so beautiful. Am I really beautiful? I have never been appreciated so much. Am I really worthy of called as beautiful? Resistance. So you see, anything good you are about to speak, you are about to think of, there is a resistance. Is it possible? Am I worthy of it? Okay, क्या मैं कर सकता हूँ क्या? Will the market support me? Okay, it so happened I gave an idea to one of my friend 2 days back. The immediate reaction was, अरे nice idea, but मुझसे कौन लेगा? Resistance. But we have seen the same people talking by, I don't know, I'm not feeling well. Okay, मेरे साथ कुछ अच्छा होता ही नहीं है. I don't have good people around me. Okay, I'm not worthy. These talks are so casual, so easy. Okay, and you have seen these things manifesting a lot. Why? Let's understand. So all the intuitions are coming from universe. Okay, so there is a conscious mind and there is a subconscious mind. Okay, let us keep it. Okay, for the purpose of understanding and for the purpose of creating an image, I'm saying it this way. This is the conscious mind, and the heart is represented as a subconscious mind. It's a feeling based, so heart. It's a thinking mind, so brain. So the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. एंड सबकॉन्शियस माइंड इज द वन हु मैनिफेस्ट टू द गोल्स, जो हमने कल की वीडियो में देख लिया था. नाउ द थॉट्स आर कमिंग. Okay, I am rich, I am beautiful. Okay, the intuition are coming. Immediately here there's a resistance. Really? How could you ever think of being a beautiful person? You are not. Your childhood friend is much more beautiful than you. She has more boyfriends than you. Okay, people have been proposing her like anything. How could you think that you are beautiful? No, you are not. Okay, look at the waistline you have. Not worthy. Ratios. So now the ball stopped here. It did not go here. Since it did not go here, it did not get manifested. Okay, I am rich. I am getting rich, or I am earning 30 lakh rupees a month. Really? Okay, in a very crude way, even the mind or the people around they put. तेरे फैमिली में भी कभी किसने कमाया क्या 3 लाख? वेरी क्रूड. ओके, बट इट्स अ फैक्ट. पीपल डू दैट. सो दिस इज अ रेजिस्टेंस हियर. आई हैव नेवर बीन एबल टू अर्न दैट मच. आई हैव ट्राइड सो मच. आई हैव वर्कड सो हार्ड. आई हैव नेवर बीन एबल टू अर्न दैट मच. नो, एंड लुक एट द मार्केट कंडीशन. इज नॉट सपोर्टिंग नाउ इट इज. आई एम नॉट श्योर वेदर आई कैन अर्न और नॉट. Resistance. Resistance could not reach here and could not manifest. However, somebody comes or you think life is a hell. There is no resistance. Direct here and it becomes a hell. Direct. Okay. I am not beautiful. I am ugly. There is no resistance. It's acceptance. That's why the casual talks that we do has much more larger chance of manifesting because there is no resistance here. So my genuine request, okay, प्रांतिक आपको ये बोलना चाहता है कि create a path of least resistance. How do you do that? By affirming most good things about yourself. I am worthy. I am powerful. I'm designed. I'm designed to grow. Everything is possible because I exist. My dreams are possible because I exist. I am not here for looking for approval of anybody else. I approve of myself and I love myself. I am not a dead soul. I am a living, powerful being. What happened to me was my past. I am not my past. The eyes are in front of my body and it is meant to look forward. I look forward for great things. I am phenomenal. I am amazing. I am powerful. I am a magnet to all the powerful things in the world. The path of least resistance. The moment you start to feel about this thing, the moment the new thought comes, I am beautiful. Yes, you are. Manifests. I am rich. Yes, you are. Manifests. So my genuine request, create a path of least resistance. Live a life, okay, which is resistance free. If there is resistance, there is no allowance. अटक गया है. If there is no allowance, there is no allowance, there is no growth, there is no manifestation. So signing off, Prantik. Have a life of least resistance, a phenomenal life, a great life. Be blessed. Thank you so much.